Thank you for taking some time for yourself. Although I don't know the specific type of pain you're experiencing, I recognize its presence and impact. I understand that pain can be incredibly complex and unique to each individual. You might be feeling an aching, beating, binding, biting, burning, causic, cool, corroding, cramping, crushing, cutting, drilling, dull, flashing, flickering, gnawing, grinding, gripping, heavy, hot, itchy, lacerating, nagging, nauseating, numb, penetrating, piercing, pinching, pounding, pulsing, rasping, searing, sharp, shooting, smart, spasming, splitting, squeezing, stabbing, stinging, tearing, throbbing, tingling or twisting sensation. Each type of pain is valid, and you don't have to personally experience those types of pain right now. It isn't necessary to feel each sensation in this moment. It isn't important to vividly imagine or relive them. You don't need to become overwhelmed if you're aware of these types of pain internally. Without knowing it, you've already acknowledged the range of sensations you may normally feel. And I don't know you, and you don't know me, and we might never truly know each other deeply. But what I do know is, as you sit here and listen to me now, you've forgotten about the shoes on your feet, and now you can feel them. You've forgotten about your hairstyle on your head, and now you can feel it. You've forgotten about the collar around your neck, and now you can feel it. You know how it is when you're listening to an engaging lecture, and the chair might as well be on a cloud, but in a boring one, suddenly you feel every hard spot. We've all learnt to tune out of sensations like this all over our bodies, thanks to a lifetime of learning. So how did you get so good at ignoring the feelings of your shoes? It's not like there's a drug in your nerves. It's just something you've learned over time, like flipping a switch on and off through lifelong learning. And I bet you've thought about pain before. Maybe you can't shake that nagging feeling, but perhaps you can ease that burning sensation a bit. Or maybe you can hold on to that heavy, dull ache a while, softening those sharp, shooting pains. When you break down your pain into these different sensations like this, you start to slowly get to know and attempt to untangle its impact. Now in a moment, I'll invite you to picture what your pain might look like. Imagine a blank canvas in the distance, and you have to paint the back and front of your body onto this canvas. If you're going to do that, well then you might as well go all in and visualize yourself in a special place. A sunny beach, a luxurious mansion with helpful people, or a peaceful garden. Here you can take your time to explore your creativity. Think of it like an artist's canvas, just like how Jackson Pollock, the expressionist painter, would sometimes throw an entire can of paint onto his canvas to create bold, expressive art. Allow yourself to express your pain in vivid colours and textures onto the canvas in the distance. And it can be incredibly enlightening, giving you a clearer understanding of what the pain looks like. And now as you begin to shift your energy out of your body, slowly, quickly, enthusiastically, you can float down to that special place and let your conscious awareness drift by. Imagine looking at the blobs of paint on the painting you've created, each representing a unique sensation. In the distance you see sharp, striking lines in detail. Now imagine if you could replace those distant, sharp lines with something different, like the texture of a scratchy woolen sweater. Visualize covering up those sharp lines with a soft blanket on your painting. This way, if a sharp pain were to unexpectedly approach, the blanket will give you a gentle warning. And as you shift your focus around the painting, from the front and back of your body on the canvas, imagine exploring the different textures. Imagine touching each section with your index finger to feel those sensations. Take a deep breath and float up out of your body near the painting. Feel that itchy texture on the tip of your finger. Notice its duration and intensity. And once you've examined it thoroughly, gently wipe your finger back onto that section of the painting, transferring that sensation. Perfect. Now fly back to where you can see the painting in the distance. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Are there any other sections of the painting you'd like to explore now? Let's test the more vibrating, dull sensations on another section of the painting, okay? Ready? 3, floating up towards the painting. 2, easing near that section. 1, touch with your finger and see if you can adjust the sensation. Now imagine interacting with the painting in a way that transforms the sensations into something you wouldn't mind experiencing, like turning a throbbing part of the painting into a warm, hugging orange glow. Or perhaps you could turn a dull ache into a calm, soothing blue liquid ocean. Visualize this transformation as you observe and enjoy feeling through the tip of your finger. Perfect. Some people find pleasure in letting the liquid sensation flow out onto the floor, releasing it from the body altogether. Others find tying balloons to any unwanted sensations and watching them float away with the clouds can be so deeply satisfying. There's something magical about seeing balloons drift away, isn't there? Take a moment to imagine these transformations in your painting. Feel the warmth of the orange glow or the soothing calm of the blue ocean spreading through the canvas of your body. Allow yourself to enjoy this process of shifting, observing, transforming your sensations in a way that brings comfort and peace. And when you're satisfied with this garment, that you wouldn't mind trying it on and wearing it, we'll send it to the manufacturer to transform it into a luxurious coat adorned with gold threads, velvet, and the finest fabric imaginable. Do you follow? So as you return to your peaceful, tranquil, and creative place in a moment, you'll discover this exquisite coat awaiting you. Take your time to slowly try it on and notice the different sensations. Are you ready? As you slowly try on this exquisite coat, feel the richness of the velvet against your skin and the gentle shimmer of gold threads. Notice how it wraps you in comfort and elegance, transforming the sensations you once painted on your canvas. Take a deep breath and immerse yourself in the experience. Perfect. Feel the calming effect of the luxurious fabric, soothing any remaining discomfort. Notice how the slightly itchy bits have softened, replaced by a cushion of warmth and ease where you placed blankets in your painting. Allow yourself to fully embrace this new sensation, appreciating the beauty and serenity it brings. Imagine wearing this coat in your daily life, feeling empowered and at ease. This cloak is always with you. You can wear it before bed, upon awakening, or whenever you need a sense of comfort and security. Whenever you wear it, remind yourself of your strength, because you deserve to feel fabulous, and proud of your subconscious hypnotic abilities. Your subconscious mind has worked really hard today, and you should be really proud of yourself. Now it's important to leave some signal pain to alert you to new symptoms or a worsening condition. This signal should be gentle but noticeable enough for you to recognize and report it to your doctor. In a moment, focus on your index finger and create a mild, itchy throb. This, along with your old pain signals, with or without the itchy finger, will be your secret signal. Once you feel it, take note and report it to your doctor. Now wipe those feelings away onto your invisible coat. Perfect. If there are any other sensations in your body you'd like your cloak to absorb, now's the time to do so. And as you do this, notice how wonderfully soothing it feels to have your cloak wrapping you. Feel the luxurious, comforting embrace of fabric wrapping you in a sense of safety and tranquility. Remember, sometimes pain is there to protect you, gently reminding you of any important changes. But for now, enjoy the sensation of your magical cloak, knowing you can always return to this place of comfort and control. And when you're ready to return to your external world, take a few deep breaths. Feel how much lighter and at peace you are. Stretch out, wriggle your fingers and toes, and open your eyes. Welcome back. You're perfect, just as you are.